What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Desiree. Sorry about the banging. It is like 20 degrees outside and my neighbor is outside working on something, so yeah, we're going to put up with that for a little bit. But yeah, so this is a channel where we only do one side of our face. I hope you like it. No, but for real. Started to do this, decided to do full glam, and then was like, let's just jump into the video now. So not really sure what I'm going for. We're just gonna do it. So if you want to keep watching whatever I'm doing, then keep watching. So like I said, have no clue what I'm doing, so I just started packing on this black color around my eyeball, and then I just slowly build that up. And then take a silver from the same palette and kind of blend those edges out. This is sort of where I kind of start getting an idea of what on earth I'm doing. But so I'm just taking some diamonds. I have no clue where these came from. They're in a little package I have underneath the counter, and there's no name on it or anything, so they're just some cheap little fake diamonds. And I'm taking some adhesive, eyelash glue, and gluing them on my face. I take the bigger ones and sort of scatter them out so it kind of looks like an ombre with diamonds. And then I go back in with some gold glitter because I kind of wanted a little bit more of an ombre effect with it. The glitter is from that same little diamond palette. Have no clue what it is, so I'm really sorry. I apologize. So between that ending of that video and the beginning of this one, I finally figured out what on earth I'm doing. So I'm taking that same silver color and starting the outline of the skull mouth. And then I go in with those diamonds, and they have some really cool teardrop shaped ones that I'm going to use for the teeth, and then I just do the same ombre kind of thing that I did to the forehead. So here I am doing the same exact method with the diamonds, except for starting from the middle and tapering out on both ends. And so I'm just using the diamonds as basically a highlight or all of the high points of the skull bone. And then here I am not gonna add any teeth inside of the jaw cavity thingy. I'm horrible at anatomy, so I have no clue, but we're just gonna take that black and deepen that up, and then we're gonna take the same silver and start lightening the front part of it and just kind of blending it a little bit more. And then we're gonna go into the jawline and do the same exact method as I did absolutely everywhere else with the diamonds. And then after I get all of the sparkles put on, I'm gonna go in with that same silvery color we used everywhere else and add it on my nose, add it between the teeth, and just kind of shadow everything. And that is the final look. I had fun with this one. I had no clue what I was doing at the beginning, but then we got to this, so I hope you guys enjoyed.